In this module, we are going to talk about replacing capitalism with another type of economic system. Here, they are mentioning the disadvantages of the existing capitalist system: uneven distribution among countries and people. Poor nations are dumped in poverty and wars while developed countries enjoy peace and prosperity. Free market economy, buy and consume, cheap labor to generate surplus. That rich countries are enjoying all comforts at international level, while the developing countries are suffering at the behest of the international rich elite. Disadvantages are more there. Shaky stability of economy. Capitalism is plagued with poor philosophy. For many, it's nothing more than a lame theory of profit. Elite class owns the means of production, financial speculations, allocation of resources in a socially harmful way. That elite class has only one point agenda: to maximize its profit at any cost. What's wrong with the existing modern capitalism? It ignores natural environment, excessive depletion of natural capital, deregulation of natural resources and ecosystem, socio-economic challenges for the present and future generations. Because if we really believe in sustainable growth, it means that we need to fulfill the needs and demands of the present generation without depleting the needs and demands of the future generation. There is a dire need to rethink about the contemporary economic model of capitalism. It is insufficient and inherently wasteful. The enrichment of one country leads to spread of poverty in many other countries. Therefore, there is need to consider other economic model. It may be talking about an economic model that believes in that the countries which are exporting its raw material to the rich nations, those rich nations are core countries, needs to sell out the finished good to those countries at a lower price from where they originally imported the raw material, that they could get any advantage as compared to the countries where where they did not get that raw material. Look at this slide toward a free and equal society. It is impossible. How it is staggering, how it is imbalance because of that population growth in the developing world and industrial growth in the developed world. Economic dream of Karl Marx: capitalism would be replaced by socialism. Dictatorship of proletariat would bring socialism. Rule on the behalf of working class. Elite systems of control would be abolished. It is only possible when the poor class has the resources. That is impossible because all the resources lie with the rich class. So, rich class needs to understand, if they want a peaceful society, they needs to satisfy the needs and demands of the poor people.